This story comes by way. This is Brother Ogod in the Black Hip Hop News. Did that backwards there, didn't I? Make sure you share, make sure you subscribe. Shout out to General Cool Line and Lies Stacks. Hey, this story comes by way of C Murder. It appears that the judge could seize his benefits or his money made by his album sales. Now it's been in 2001, the artist born Corey Miller was opened fire at a Baton Rouge nightclub. You know, those who were struck in the shooting filed civil judgments against the 45-year-old rapper C Murder after the news broke that the rapper had possibly been recording and releasing new music from behind bars. Local publications, The Advocate, although jailed in 2009 and serving a life sentence for a 2002 murder of a teenage fan, Stephen Thomas, a look at C Murder's discography reveals that he released a handful of projects since his incarceration, including a joint album with Boozy Badass titled Penitentiary Chances, released in the spring of 2016. The Advocacy adds in its reporting that the victims, which include the bouncer he allegedly tried to gun down, the bar owner and a bartender and a bar manager and a patron, are hoping a state judge will award them access to C Murder's earnings. So when you get a judgment against somebody, they're supposed to get first dibs on any earnings that you get. So they're trying to recoup now, because since they got a civil lawsuit, he was civilly liable for their death. They're trying to recoup earnings. Damn, like let the man live. Now I understand the other side, the family and whatnot. But goddamn, you're already behind bars. But that's just my opinion. I ain't supposed to do that in the media. But anyway, this is C Murder. The judge is trying to withhold his holdings, his record sale proceeds, and give it to the victims. What y'all think? Leave it. Talk about it in the comment section like you always do. Make sure you like. Make sure you subscribe. I'm all over the place this morning. This your brother Ogod in the Black Hip Hop News, number one source for hip hop news, entertainment, sports, etc., etc. I'm out. Peace.